Are you wasting ad spend on regions where competitors already dominate? Learn to pinpoint their traffic by region in under 3 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Semrush's folder system to break down competitor traffic by region. We'll start by organizing your data, then run a focused analysis. Start by going to your Semrush folders to take control of your data. Click on the first highlight to open the project. Then click on the next highlight to navigate to the domain overview. Now click on the highlight to access the traffic analytics section. Click on Geographical regions to see where your competitor's traffic comes from. Then click on the highlight to view the regional breakdown. Click on Add Competitors to include the ones you want to compare. Once that's done, click on Analyze to generate the report. Finally, click on Spot Regional Winners and fine-tune your market focus to wrap up. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.